This is the Pop Rock experiment. Take 2. Go, Shawnee. Hold it in your mouth. Don't swallow it. I hear it. Did it hurt? Put more in. It's a big piece in. Drink more.
Drink more. Drink more. Drink more. Drink more. Drink more. Drunk.
You're ugly.
Pop Rock.
Is there anything happening? No?
Do it again. Now put it in your mouth and then do it then.
She's all enjoying it.
Open. Put more. And then drink. Okay, interesting.